Hi, I'm Andy, the trend follower. Welcome to this week's review of the different asset classes. It's Saturday, the 25th of May, 2019. I don't know which asset class is going to do best, so I follow all of them. Shares, property, gold, commodities, cryptocurrency. This is new for me. This is the news of the week. And I follow bonds as well. Okay, let's look at shares first of all, as I always do, and see how they are doing. Now, the fund that I use to get exposure to shares, I've been invested in. You can see where I had the signal to invest. It closed up above the green line here a few weeks ago. Since then, it's gone sideways and then down. And this week, it closed below the green line. And this is a sell signal for me. Oh dear, you can see the difference in the in and the out price. This will be a losing trade. But if it keeps dropping, I'll be glad to be in cash. Let's look at property next. And the fund that I used to get exposure to property gave me a buy signal a couple of weeks ago. I bought, it's gone up, and this last week has just gone backwards very slightly, but it's still above the green line, so I'm remaining invested. Let's look at gold next, and I'm fully invested in gold. I had a buy signal last autumn. It went up strongly, then crossways, and this last week it rose up nicely, so I'm staying invested in gold. Let's look at commodities, and I'm in cash here. I went into cash last summer and it's been dropping ever since. This week it fell further, so I'm staying in cash. Now, this is the news. I'm starting to follow two cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, first of all, this gave me this gave me a buy signal a few weeks ago, and I bought into Bitcoin, and you can see where I did that. It's risen strongly since then, so I'm staying invested in Bitcoin. Ethereum is the other crypto that I'm following, and again, this has closed up above the green line. It's rising, doing very well, so I'm staying invested. Bonds is the last asset class. I don't trade in and out of bonds because they don't move very much. I just remain invested in three differently denominated ETFs, one in British pounds, one in euros, and one in US dollars. I just hold them. Just hedges my currency a little bit. Now, here are the traffic light signals for each of the asset classes this week. Shares, this is a new signal. It's a red. I'm going to convert to cash here. Property is a green. Gold is a green. Commodities are a red still. Crypto, this is a new asset class. I'm invested in crypto. Got in a couple of weeks ago. Bonds for me are always on a green. What do I have to do this week? Well, I need to sell the investment that I used to get exposure to shares. And this is going to make me a loss. So a little bit sad, but I've just got to get on and do it. I'm a trend follower, remember. Okay, if you want to get a weekly update, make sure you're on my mailing list. So if you go to the homepage on this website, you'll be able to put your email into my list, and you'll get a weekly email with an update. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just about what I'm doing. I'm not recommending that you do it, and I don't make any claim about how well this strategy might perform for me or indeed anybody else in the future. If you copy me, it might all go horribly wrong, so just regard it as entertainment. Okay, so have a great week. I'll do another video for you next weekend. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.